Hi, I'm Mark from Neon Collective, an advertising and marketing agency based here in Melbourne, Australia. We've been working with eCare Infoway for the last 9 months or so, working with some large projects as well as small, from a multi-vendor platform website which has held so far up to date about 3,000 products, through to brochure websites which we've been working in tandem with them, as well as a client that we're currently working with that is we're doing a CRO with them, so conversion rate optimization. So what we've learned about eCare, and I'm happy to forward this on to anyone who's interested, is that eCare is really good at detail, really good at understanding the client's expectations, and more importantly, timelines. We've been working with them, as I said, for the last 9 months, and to date we've only gone up in terms of production level, and understanding that I can lean on Luxman and the team to get the job done at the end. Moving forward for us, we're happy to continue our relationship with eCare and continue to grow with them, as they've been a source of production that we have not yet seen in the marketplace. So for us, hopefully the next 9 months to a year is as good as the last with eCare. So I look forward to seeing how they're going to grow and how they can facilitate your needs. Okay, cheers, thanks.